is our homework for tonight, homework sheet 44. Today we learned a new skill on how to find the greatest common factor without using a factor rainbow. Instead, we're going to use a factor tree. So I'm going to do only the first one for you guys. Let's do 18 and 44. So I'm going to start by taking 18 and 48 and doing a factor tree to find the prime factors. 9 times 2 makes 18. That's prime. That's why I circle it. 3 times 3 makes 9. 48. I know 6 times 8 makes 48. 3 times 2 makes 6. 4 times 2 makes 8. And 2 times 2 makes 4. Okay. Now here's the tricky part. I'm going to write down all those prime factors. Just the numbers I circled. So 3 times 3 times 2. 3 times 3 times 2. 48 has a lot of factors. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now I have to do some looking because I say common factors. So I'm going to look for the things that they have in common. I notice that there's a 3 here and a 3 here. So let me cross those out because they have that in common and write it here. I notice there's a 2 here and there are lots of 2's here. I'm just going to pick one. It doesn't matter what I pick. I'm going to cross those out and put on the line. Even though there's a 3 left, there's no 3 here as a buddy, so I'm not going to put those together. And there's 2's here, but there's none up here. So those are my only common factors. I'm going to multiply them together, and that's going to give me the greatest common factor, 6. You see, this is another way of getting greatest common factor without a factor rainbow. Now, let's go back to my original numbers. My greatest common factor of 8 and 48 is 6.